friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking zucchini and squash in the oven. This is going to be roasted zucchini and yellow summer squash. They can cook together, take exactly the same time to cook, and they taste so good. So I washed zucchini and squash before making this video, and I also preheated the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. You don't need to peel the squash. You can if you want to, but I find that the less work, the better. The skin is totally edible, so there's no need to peel them. So all you need to do is just cut off the stem. And now I will cut it into pieces. So super easy, just cut it in half lengthwise. And cut each half into halves. So here are the quarters of the squash and zucchini. Just cut it into pieces. And I'll put it in a bowl so it's easy to season it. And now same thing for the zucchini. So now I will season zucchini. For my seasoning, as I'm using olive oil, you can use any kind of vegetable oil as well. And I have salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. And you can use any seasonings you like. I'm going to drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil. And you can use less oil or more. Or you can just leave out the oil if you'd rather not have it. It just helps it get more brown and crispy, just for flavor. And now let's sprinkle it with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. And now I'm just going to toss it so it's evenly coated with oil and seasonings. And now let's put zucchini and squash on a baking sheet. So I like to line the baking sheet with parchment paper for easy cleanup. So just put it on a baking sheet in a single layer. And now the zucchini and squash is ready to be baked. So let's put it in the oven. And the oven is preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's bake it until ready. The zucchini and squash has been baking in the oven at 425 degrees for 25 minutes, and now it's ready. Look at that. It looks amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Look at the zucchini and squash. It's so easy to cook it together, and it's roasted perfectly in the oven. Move it to the plate. Perfect. What a colorful and delicious healthy side dish. These yellow and green pieces look so good. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. I love zucchini and squash. These pieces are so tender. Tastes amazing. It's tender yet still crisp. Perfect texture for roasted zucchini and squash, and it's perfectly seasoned. You will love it. This is a great low-carb recipe. So healthy. If you're watching your diet, you really need to make this. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!